What's up, guys? It's currently 67 degrees out here, and as you can hear, we're in a thunderstorm right now. It's raining pretty hard. It's kind of nice out, to be honest. Seeing all the plants in the storm and whatnot. It's kind of nice out here. A little breeze, a lot of rain, squirrel, and the palms look gorgeous. Can't be out here for too long because my phone's getting rained on and I'm getting really wet. I've only been out here not even a minute. But yeah, this is just everything in the rain. Oh, the date is September 21st, so the last day of summer. Great way to start the fall off with a nice thunderstorm. But yeah, a bit of a breeze out. Nothing too bad though. I'm gonna go back under here because it's still raining, but like a little less. It's actually bearable. My phone's soaked right now, so I don't want anything to happen to it. But yeah, I guess wind's picking up a little bit right now. Oh yeah, it's really picking up. But anyway, it's kind of nice out here, enjoying the tropical plants in this thunderstorm. As you can see, I moved everything around because the sun's changing its direction. I'm actually completely dry under this giant tree, but the sun's changing direction, so I'm just, I just moved everything so it could get ambient amounts of sunlight. As you can see, I moved the eucalyptus and the large banana over here a little bit. And as you can see, I don't know if I did this on my last update. I think I did. I don't remember. As you can see, I cut down one of the banana stalks. It was just dying. So I cut it down so I could give this guy more room to grow. Very nice out. Very nice out. I know I really shouldn't be standing under a tree in this lightning, but I am. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the storm. Rain just kind of stopped just now, like completely, or almost completely. I think so. I think it's moving away from us. So nice little storm to end off the summer. Thanks for watching.